Hello. Welcome to the Philadelphia Municipal Court's Senior and Retired Judges Oral History Project. My name is Fran Shields, and I am the President Judge of the Philadelphia Municipal Court of the First Judicial District. It's my honor today to invite you to explore with us the Senior and Retired Judges Oral History Project, which was created for all of us to learn about the fascinating personal and professional lives of these municipal court judges. On behalf of our court, I welcome you to meet these remarkable men and women of the bench. Through their own stories and in their own words, thank you for joining us today.